up, leaders? It's your girl Andy, and today we're going to be talking about how absolutely anyone can become successful in YouTube right now. Today, starting today, 2020, anyone can be successful on YouTube, and I'm going to break down how. I'd like to start this video off with one of my favorite quotes. It's, "If you build it, they will come. If you build it, they will come." I heard this quote for the first time from one of the very first, very successful entrepreneurs that I ever had the pleasure of working with. And he told me that he would always think of this quote when he was making his different businesses. And like I said, he was very successful. And I think this quote has just, the second I heard it, it stuck with me. And I think of it all the time because if you think about it, it is just completely and undeniably true. For example, if someone builds a house and puts it in the middle of downtown, people are going to see it. Like, people are going to have to physically see it. They're going to have to physically accept it because it's there and there's nothing they can do about it to make it not there, you know, unless they burn it down. So if you build it, you put it somewhere, it's gonna be there no matter what. Now, it's the same exact thing with building a business and even creating YouTube videos. If you make these videos and you upload them to YouTube, they are physically going to be there. If someone types in the name of your video, it's going to pop up regardless. It is there and there's no stopping it unless you, the creator, decides to delete it, right? So now this is what we're going to use to grow ourselves, because you are determined to do YouTube, you are making videos, you are uploading them. Maybe you're not getting the views, but they are still there, and we're going to form a solution for you so that you can get views on your videos. It's important to realize now, after just saying that you are at the mercy of your titles. Okay, like I said, your videos are there no matter what, and they will pop up if people search them, but how many people know that your video exists to actually search up your specific video? They don't, but there are people every single day searching up thousands and millions of things on YouTube, okay? And if your video happens to fall under those categories, it will pop up, and that is how you can grow. So now I think it's really important that we realize that we are at the mercy of our titles here. You're not doomed because you didn't start YouTube back in 2012 when, you know, all these other successful people started. You're not doomed for any other reason than the fact that your video title is not performing. It's important that you master your titles, and there's a ton of videos on how to increase your searchability when it comes to your YouTube videos, like how to figure out, you know, search engine optimization, all that stuff. I highly suggest hopping on trends and highly watched types of videos. So I actually did a video called "The Day in the Life of a Forex Trader," and that is kind of a trend. You know, there's quite a few Forex traders that have made videos like that. And that video completely put me on, okay? I got 2,000 subscribers pretty much off of that video. I got all of my watch time that I needed to monetize my channel pretty much off of that video. And it really, you know, that video alone, my channel before that was getting maybe like anywhere from like 70 to 150, maybe 200 views on a good video. But that was it, and I only had about 250 subscribers before that video came out. And then that video alone, you know, without the help of any other videos on my channel or the fact that people knew me, skyrocketed to, I believe it's over 40,000 views now and 2,000 subscribers. I did kind of slack on the editing for that video because I just, you know, I was like, no one's watching this, my videos. This video's long, it's probably not gonna get watched. So I wish I would put a little bit more effort into it because of all the, you know, views that it did get randomly. But that video alone like put me on, and now all the rest of my channel has grown. You know, a lot of my videos have hit over 500 views, quite a few of them have hit over 1,000 views. Like, my channel just slowly started to grow, you know, because of that one video. So it's important that we need to master those types of things. I'm sure there's a specific few types of videos in whatever niche your channel is in, but just get those. That's all you need to do. Like, I know you might want to title your video something else. Don't. Just put a title that is going to be searchable on top of your video. And I want to really drill into your head that anyone can become a successful YouTuber right now. Because look at the screen time on your phone. I bet you have, you know, quite a few hours a day on your phone, and I bet if you really broke it down, 80% of that is watching videos, okay? Whether it be on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or Twitter, everything is video content. So as long as people are watching videos, it doesn't matter if you just barely started today. It doesn't matter, you know, if people like you or people know you from other sources. No, all that matters is that your videos are videos that people will watch. Okay, and in order for people to know that they want to watch your videos, they have to be able to find them. So absolutely anyone can be successful no matter what. It really only is determined by your searchability at the end of the day. There's a lot of opportunity. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to be easy, because it's not. YouTube is a lot of work. Creating videos is a lot of work. But if you're somebody that's already started doing it and you're pretty consistent at making videos, you know, this is what you can do to help yourself. And like I said, all it takes is one video really to pop. And then it's going to create a domino effect on your channel, because you're going to get subscribers if you put the time and the quality into your video, and your other videos are going to get more views, which is going to make it, the YouTube algorithm is going to pick it up easier because it's getting more views, it's getting more likes, it's getting more comments. So it just creates a whole domino effect for you and your channel all together. Alright my friends, that is it for today's video, and you are going to be on your way to success if you follow these simple concepts. It's pretty simple, I would say, but just to recap, the surefire way to grow on YouTube is to create high quality videos. Okay, nobody likes crappy videos. Pick high performing titles that are trendy, searchable, and intriguing, and then repeat. Okay, make that your thing for your channel and you will grow. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. My camera is about to die, but I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I'll see you next time.